Legalzoom versus Zenbusiness versus Tailor Brands. Which one should you use to start your business? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare Legalzoom, Zenbusiness, and Tailor Brands, three popular platforms for forming an LLC or corporation, so you can decide which one actually fits your budget, timeline, and level of support. Let's start with Legalzoom. It's been around the longest and is super well known. They offer a full range of legal services beyond just LLC formation, like trademark help, wills, and even attorney access. But their plans are on the pricier side, and some say they hide extra fees until checkout. Now let's talk about Zenbusiness. Zenbusiness focuses more on simplicity and value. It offers lower base prices than Legalzoom, great customer support, and solid guides for first-time founders. Perfect if you're launching your first business and want a clean, affordable way to form your LLC or corp without getting overwhelmed. Finally, there's Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands is different. It's not just a legal filing service. It helps you build your brand from scratch. Logo, website, branding, and then handles your LLC too. Great if you want everything together in one go, but not ideal if you only need legal filing help. So which one is better? If you want full legal extras and don't mind paying more, go with Legalzoom. If you're looking for affordable, no-hassle LLC formation, Zenbusiness wins. And if you want branding plus legal setup in one place, Tailor Brands might be your move. All three are legit, just built for different kinds of founders. Let me know in the comments which one you used. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.